Look me in the eyes when 247 people die. He glances over, startled. You speak softly, sharing memories. Flight school jitters, late-night beers, Lucas's tin can engine roars, Max's crayon jet. The descent eases. 300. 200. The autopilot chimes back on, wings level. He sinks, sobbing. You rest a hand on his shoulder. You patch in Atlantic Control, Flight 274, emergency medical on arrival. My co-pilot's in distress. He stands under his own power on the jet bridge. As they lead him away, he whispers, "Thank you for not fighting me." You offer a sad smile. "I wasn't here to fight. I was here to fly." Behind you, 247 empty seats hold worlds saved by nothing more than two voices in a tin bubble.